Hi, my name is Priya. I grew up in India and now currently living in New Jersey with my husband and my daughter. I work as a software manager for the QA team within 1159 company. As a child, I was always fond of breaking things. And I think that's why I always wanted to do a job which gives me that opportunity. And I think I just found the right place for myself, which is a QA tester. It gives me not only to, continue my passion of breaking and testing things, but it also gives me a much happiness. I do have a BTech degree, which is Bachelor's in Technology in Computer Science from India. However, I found that I was never very enthusiastic about writing codes. I was instead interested, as I said in my previous answer, that I was very much interested in breaking things, mending them, testing, finding out ways for improvements. And when I entered in the world of testing, I think that that was my final call. And I said, okay, this is what I had always wanted to do. Monday blues were gone, and I started enjoying my work along with my life. I did work in India while I was still there, but it was never my calling, and I realized it very quickly in my life because I only worked there for 2.5 years. End goal, as any other computer science engineer, I also wanted to be, a hardcore, maybe like coder. I wanted to code and make beautiful thing. I wanted to, be one of maybe Tang or Fang employee. But that was just my goal. And I never realized does that goal has my interest or not. Post my first delivery, when I had delivered my daughter, I had resigned from my previous company and I was a happy mother. She was only, I guess, 8 months when my husband told me one day, "Don't you think you should be doing something else?" He said to me, "I don't mind you being a mother and a wife all throughout your life, but you must do something because I always knew that you are a passionate woman." He instilled me, he told me that go for boot camps. And in fact, he was the person who chose Careerist for myself. I never knew if the boot camps are still there, because they were like outdated or not outdated. I didn't know if I can do it as a mother because it was a COVID scene. My daughter was still in my lap and I was fearful. I didn't know if I'm going to be a successful person or not. My husband and I, we both went through a couple of other options as well. But one thing which made Careerist stand out was how easily they also were ready to support you even after the boot camp session was over, which caught my attention that, this is like a community that you can always go back to in case you need some sort of help. And that's exactly what Careerist did for me. As I said, I was very interested in breaking things and mending things, testing things. And I felt that coding is no more something that attracts me. Like thinking about coding on Sunday night didn't let me say that, hey, I am excited for Monday because I can meet my awesome team and I can meet, my daily work and everything. That did not happen for me for quite long. And I was venturing through other, opportunities, job opportunities. I knew that yes, testing is something which I can do. It gives me much more happiness. It gives me satisfaction. The end results are wonderful. And anyone who has absolutely no interest or maybe, no prior knowledge of technology can also start their career in testing and become awesome testers. Fortunately, it did not take quite long for me. I was fortunate because of the instructors that I had in Careerist. They prepared me very well. And I just applied in 3 companies and I got call from all of them. They were ready to offer me the job. I consulted with my Careerist team. Max helped me. He told me which company might suit me, what are my interests, and we went ahead from there. It was 3 rounds for 2 companies and 2 rounds for the other company. That was wonderful. I didn't expect that I would do so well, if I can say so in my humble words, in the interview, because I was scared. I felt like that, I would just go, maybe just introduce myself, and they would say, okay, we will let you know if something comes up. But no, that did not happen for me. It was smooth. I was able to answer them the questions, followed the tips and tricks that Career's team had given to me already, and it was like a breeze. I think the most powerful was getting the hands-on experience. Most of the times what happens is that you get a lot of theory-based knowledge, but unless and until you do not get them to practice, it just remains in the book, in the head, but the knowledge does not get transferred to your hands. And that exactly what I had received in Careerist. They helped me in getting not only the best of the theory knowledge that was available, but also they helped me in getting a lot of hands-on experience. There were not like 2 to 3, they were like more than I count, maybe like 10 sessions where you actually get to work with the actual testers and real-time scenarios, and that just tests you where in the water you are. I was nervous, and I wasn't sure if I'm still good as the day of interview. But to be honest, there was a group in the Careerist where I pinged all my questions, and Career's team was responding them back to back. That helped me to settle down on my first day of my work. First interview, first question, I did tremble just while I was introducing myself. But after having a cup of water, and I reminded myself what Max had told me, that this is just an interview. Literally, they are going to ask you what you already know. And I reminded the same thing to myself, and I was on the spot on that day. Well, the job not only gave me the confidence in my professional life, but it also helped me to become more organized in my personal life. This job definitely gave me happiness, satisfaction, and maybe the lost respect, but it has helped me to talk in public without any fear. My company is truly a gem. They understand what is the priority of not only a man but also a woman. They understood that yes, I'm a mother and a wife, and I need to spend time, quality time with my family. We always go out on weekends, and our enjoyment is just not limited to weekends. We are very professional. We don't answer any calls or any messages after my work hours. And my colleagues respect this boundary that I have set for myself. My company is in full support of this, and I also respect the same boundary for my colleague. Apart from going on weekends, my daughter is a lover of painting. We definitely paint on weekdays itself, and sometimes go for strolling with my family and a dog. So, when I entered as a junior tester in my company, for a year I worked as a tester, and then I got promoted to a senior tester. After that, I got promoted as a manager of QA team. This job opportunity ensured that I don't only remain on the testing side, but I was also offered position for business analyst and project managers. I did have fear of technology, although I was a student of computer science. As I said, I could not answer a lot of jargon questions. I was not able to pick up the jargon words that sometimes a coder used to say. But going through the boot camp in Careerist, helped me to overcome that fear. It also gave me the confidence of speaking out, calling out when the processes were incorrect. I think it was just coding thing or the technical jargons, and I feel that they are completely irrational because those are not what define me. Those are just some words created by someone which can be easily googled and you can get the answer from there. The only risk that you would be taking is not taking the risk. Unless and until you don't go inside the water, you don't know if you want to swim or not. So join the boot camp. Join the boot camp because it tells you how exactly you can prepare yourself. Joining the boot camp does not only tells you about the QA testing, but it helps you to overcome all the issues and hardships that you see as a professional.